In a tiny town called Tumbleville, there was a curious little shop called Hats and Hocus Pocus. It was run by a giggly old man named Mr. Wizzle, who wore a different hat every day, and every hat had a little magic in it. One morning, a boy named Timmy Tickletoes walked into the shop and saw hats shaped like teacups, umbrellas, and even pizzas. "Can I try one?" asked Timmy, wide-eyed and intrigued. "Why, of course, my dear boy," chuckled Mr. Wizzle. "But be cautious. Each hat enunciates a very different spell." Timmy's eyes sparkled with excitement as he reached for a hat shaped like a giant fishbowl. "Ah, the aquatic adventurer," exclaimed Mr. Wizzle. "That one grants you the ability to breathe underwater." Without hesitation, Timmy plopped the fishbowl hat onto his head. Suddenly, the little shop disappeared, and he found himself swimming with colorful fishes in a deep blue sea.
Wow.
"This is amazing," Timmy exclaimed as a dolphin danced around him. Yet, like all magic, the spell was temporary. Timmy soon found himself back in the shop, his clothes slightly damp. "Fantastic," he laughed. "What other hats do you have?" With a twinkle in his eye, Mr. Wizzle handed him a hat shaped like a fluffy cloud. "The Nimbus Navigator," he pronounced. "Try it on and see the world from above." Timmy put on the cloud hat, and in a matter of seconds, he was soaring over Tumbleville, feeling the wind in his hair. As he floated through the air, he saw familiar places: the town square, the lake where he fished, and his schoolyard full of playing children. Eventually, the cloud dissipated, and he gently floated back to the ground, ready for another adventure. Lastly, Mr. Wizzle presented a hat with a peculiar clock face.